Floating new machines. This is a multiple driller machine, multifunction driller machine with different drill bits. So once you are interested on this machine, just call me or WhatsApp me on 07 4191 3204. I repeat again, if you are interested with the woodworking machines, call me on 07 4191 3204 and call me Watosia aka Simon.